In the name of Allah, today I want to show you in this video how to PowerPoint to password protection, step-by-step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more update and press the bell icon. All is right, let's jump on the PC.
You don't have to download any software. It's totally free. Now this is our PowerPoint document. Open the PowerPoint document. Go to File menu. And here click on the Info command. Then going to Protect Presentation, right click here. Then click on Encrypt with Password. Now here you have to enter your password. Which you want to. I want to enter a password 2000. To click on OK, my password 2000. You have to repeat your password. Here I repeat password again to click on OK. Set a password to protect your PowerPoint document. Then save your document. I want to close a document. I want to open new document. I open PowerPoint document. You see this document is password protected. Please enter a password. Now if you enter some wrong password, it will say incorrect password. But if I enter 2000, the same password that we have entered there, you have to click on OK. Now as you can see, that document is now open. So in this way you can how to PowerPoint password protection by setting your password. It's a very easy way. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. And do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, guys.